Jumbo business this. Spin it, my youth.
Black Scorpio is
All
the
the
leading
fishermen
sound
them.
around town.
Big up on yourself.
And these
And
words
all
coming
us
from
people.
the man Derek
Love of the
Morgan.
field.
You hear?
Hear them sooner.
This is Black Scorpio is your superior. So please
Hear them sooner.
Be still. Black Scorpio is your superior. So please be still.
Mighty can't call Derek Morgan from way back when, from
When
1910.
a lion is sleeping, never you try to wake him. You hear?
Black Scorpio.
Telling you, be still.
Chili pillow. Chili pillow, pillow.
Don't you try to raise up, cause you will get hurt.
Now call up from you go all 92 shot.
When Black Scorpio is playing,
Now because the cat like Bev.
don't you try
Easy
to
bumper, man.
interrupt.
Hear this.
Please wear hot.
Mighty can't call Derek Morgan walks away. Now he come to you call Norbert Clark. Keep on playing the ass man song. Big up on the ass people then. Easy Mikey. Original arena.
Day after day,
And I'll
I
entertain
must
her.
face a world of strangers where I don't
You call Norbert Clark.
I'm not that
Keep on playing with the ass man song.
It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care.
Easy atomic
A
hockey
love
nose.
to share
Shape
when
class.
there's no getting over that rainbow.
Hey.
My smallest of dreams don't come
Sweet no bunsy clean man.
I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Someday I'll find that the love we share will always be right there for me. The world will see one look at you, and I know that I could learn to live without the rest. I found the best when there's no getting
Now, my
over
youth.
that
You're
rainbow.
cute. I say every time the general come, I hear to your freshness. So you look a sneak, you know, for the whole of our people, them, getting yourself in line. I know so the general do it. But they not tell the way I go on, just listen to it. Now easy sicky. Yeah man, I know why it's called advice, man. What we do? Trees legalize the girls. Just to get rid of the toys and them. Hey! Watch out the general do it. Here to your root, I'm gonna get you. Chili pillow, low. Chili pillow, low. What we do? What we do? Then alright, trees legalize the girls. Just to get rid of the toys and them. Must have legalize the girls. So you don't have no more toys. And again, listen me people. I want the toys and business to end. That's why me legalize the girls them. You can't call man Tarzan again, cause if a man nowadays them find a girlfriend. Watch me. Pull up your hand, you find your girlfriend, you can put it down, look at you no Tarzan again. I'm legalize the girls. Just to get rid of the Tarzan them, my friend. Hey! Watch how the general do it. Here to you. Watch it again. Chili pillow. Chili low. Chili pillow low. What was that color? I want the toss and business for end. That's why me legalize the girls them. You can't call man Tarzan again, cause every man nowadays them find a girlfriend. Put up your hand, you find your girlfriend, you can put it down, look and you know Tarzan again. Show me legalize the girls. And just to get rid of the Tarzan them, my friend. She's legalize the girls. So you don't have no more Tarzan again. Watch me people. In a way deal we did have a problem. To me want some woman for the Tarzan them. Slowly but surely it come to one and a two shipment. A girl me bring come for them. Take care of them, not ill treat them. Cause we know what fear the Tarzan problem again. Too many legalize the girls. So you don't have no more Tarzan again. Watch me people. Tell me legalize the girls. And just to get rid of the Tarzan them. You know people. Me not deal with knife, me not deal with gun. 8,000 Tarzan they on the run. Me I wonder if I boom the jungle boom down. Or all of the whiz people cut them down. And them too weak, them a bust down. We have to decide to bring some. Here we come, show legalize the girls. So you know I no more Tarzan again. Hold it! One more piece. I will love the girl, them now. Hold it. we have some like a dirty mouth DJ. No disrespect to no DJ. But for my DJ's dirty mouth, you know we have to do it like that. Who not stop disrespect, come on. What you see me? When we come, we come. And I'm and the Almighty come and the two of we girl right hold us sit down. Spin it, my youth, and listen. Oh, me say Lord of mercy. General peace in the void. Middle, landing of mercy. What am I gonna do? I'm going to defend it again. Me all the girls them, the dirty mouth DJ. Half of them are going to defend it again. All the girls them, zippy DJ stop cause them. Dirty mouth DJ tell me who know what defend. A woman bring you here and them have with children who no never have nothing good to tell them. Who no all up on a mic who no cost the girl them. Woman and me mother and me respect them. And the love when me have for them. Now go and I'm going to defend it again. All the girls them, dirty mouth DJ. Half of them are going to defend it again. All the girls them, zippy DJ stop cause DJ we cause woman and a girlfriend. All them must have a boyfriend then. Load the girl them, come off of them and go let off a steam for your toes and feel like going to defend it again. All the girls them, cut him out. What's all the children will do it? Tears, no tears. I want to sing back to her. Now my selector, we have enough tune to play. So we're going to brush the 1 hour more time and go to some selection. Watch it. Good boy. She pilly low. Chili pilly low. Chili pilly low. Chili pilly low. Watch me now. I wanna follow me go there. People follow me go there. We are gonna make some money if we go down there. People follow me go there. Follow me go there. We are gonna make some money if we go down there. Which part? Down on the track. Down on the track. We gonna look to winner to make some cash. Down on the track. Down on the track. We gonna look to winner to make some cash. You see the race ass game. I am a maniac. Ass blood me have a man of if it talk that. Me will take me last money and go and make the shop. Me look here with me one lose me one sitting at me you go. Why don't they ask them I go round the track? Me love it so much and me just can't the people follow me go there. Follow me go there. We are gonna make some money if we go down there. Let me tell you about a groovy when name Johnny Black who checked me last week. Around 8 o'clock send him have one ass. I burn up the track. The ass can't lose me can't go put on me pants on me. Till Sunday me say kiss me neck back. Me have some money in my secret spot. We run go take it out and end for the track and buy the ass with all when me got. Not even must fear, she's not safe back. When the gate say no, me say the ass pan top. They come and make a turn, if they a make a pack. With the jacket just a wiggle and a waggle in the back. And the ass foot a go, cut it, cap. When the race done run, I last him come. Me feeling weak, the eyes start turn. A little after that, me jump in at the place. A man all out, what a disgrace. Gambling lick down the boy upon him face. A woman all out, take him up in her ears. I ask him how much money, him losing at the race. So she hold up my head and looking at my face and say, young man, how much you losing at the race? So me open my eye and looking at her face and say, what me lose? This my mistake. Me buy the ass. $2 win and $2 blaze. You be follow me go there. Follow me go there. Hey! I come. The man can call Freddie Goose and McGregor keep a place of black scuba by article here to your sound looking teeth. Spin it. My house.
Better sound run go ahead.
Alright. I pay a snake tonight, man. Come on, start jumping.
What them a go do? What them a go do?
Mighty can't call. Freddie the Dread. Ladies. Easy Papa exclusive to the manager. Butter. Alfred Yeah. Easy fragment. Now let you up my own. Sure.
In the morning, got to give them fever. In the evening, in the night.
Kilimanjaro people's eyes will blind for Bavai.
In the night.
Let's do
it. Didn't somebody tell them?
Watch all the ass.
Should test the Scorpio. Cause we gonna sting them. Early morning till night. Oh, well, got to give them fever. In the morning, got to sting them with fever. In the evening, in the night.
Let off a steam.
Well, yeah.
Come on, come for drink.
In the night.
Watch this.
Oh, well. But don't go. Please stay.
Ready the dread.
Don't go.
Yeah.
Please stay.
He's the Mikey Malin.
But when you go to the dance and jack up your playing, you got to stay right here in the dance.
Alright.
Knowing how, got you fling it down. I am a massive and crew. Come shout it out. Cause this time, it be different. In a this your dance. So don't go.
Mighty can't call Felly the Dreadlocks walks away. No, you call Mighty can't call Anthony Gushu Red Rose. Keep on
Come on, never not telling no man. A long time Scorpio kill sound.
So yeah, one sound it feels, man.
Give me the sound. Run out of town.
Ladies!
My. Scorpio sure sounds good tonight. And I'm so damn right. I wanna say my. Scorpio sure sounds good tonight. And I'm so damn right. Put on your red dress.
All the blue ones, man.
High heels. Wear some of that sweet perfume. Sure smells good on you. Scorpio is so fine. It's blowing my mind. And girl, when we are through, I'm gonna make love to you. Tonight will be a special night, and Scorpio is on the go. And I'm so proud to tell you this. Our sunrise on the road.
Mighty you call Red Rose walks away. No, you call Mighty can't call Felly Gushu Ball. Keep on playing with the ass man sound for years without tears. I wanna take back no chat.
Now, from the studios of WBLS 1075 in the class by itself, here's Mr. Blim Blim bringing down that Scorpio. I'm Mr. Copeland, not Mr. Blim Blim. Come down, Scorpio, Cairo, ow.
Black Scorpion flame for one and all. Ain't gonna never stop.
Tomorrow will bring better you, better me. Then we'll show big sounds. Scorpio got more dubs to play. So don't you ever give up on your hopes and your dreams. We gotta get up, get into it, get it on. Sound boy, I must warn. Don't you try to test the original sound.
Now
Scorpio
my
sound
youth.
is
Long time you know you're there,
serious.
man.
And you know
Easy.
we are the
Culture
talk
nuts.
of the town. It sounds so beautiful
Now hold on there.
when they start to play in the lawn.
I have a work some of the apprentice them tonight, man.
Some sound boys
The people
play
them hear this.
somebody for million for God. In the place, Scorpio don't remember.
No front man John there,
Way
you.
back when. Oh,
Hold up.
yeah.
My youth.
There I go, there I go, there I go, there
Hold up.
I go.
My youth. And all the youth. Now before I brush it, I'm gonna bring down a little youth. My little virgin fears. Come cross fragment. Yeah, man. Touch it!
Well, easy, General. All will have a massive. Supervisor the yourself, Jaro Massive said beat. Now run it, my selector. All girls, pure frag on it. Now watch it, General, cause you know a long time. Call that chin, what happened to mixer now? Buy back now yourself. Mikey said speed. You know, chip on the inky joy. And the fraggy me, I go start up your show. Chip on the inky joy. And the fraggy me, I go start up your. Oh no, no, I think what mini man say name me. When we walk a mini man, no know if we call it. No, I think what mini me now. Tell nobody me got the longest name. In the country, this your name, I will me got enough. Everybody, this your name, I feel one man and one somebody. The one somebody, I me. That's a fraggy, and if you want here, we gonna better listen keenly. Me name it long like New York City, Canada and England, match with it. Europe and Asia say and Germany. Say open up your ears, let me tell you about him in here. Rufus, Adolphus, Graphilus, Kentish, Oduko, Kalawanga, Bendigo, Jansi, me to the guy. Call me that and you can. Call me this one, call me Gemini, yes, I mean. Hold! I want the man to say again, General.
Easy, my youth. Here's without tears. Someone could just take a slice and come down the night your way. I know me love them little youth, yeah. Straight cross. But you hear them say to me now? Me was an iron balloon before me get a hit song. We don't know the champion. Me go, hey! Watch the general. I want to say, no, hold it. Now, true, me do a little tune name iron balloon when you know for man vex the boy trees and call him iron balloon. But I man never learn for this. I will not want this way. Now hear this. Now any man no get a hit song, he must still balloon. Man like Barry back on them you a balloon. Man like Carl Collatin a balloon. So them have to work hard to get a hit song. But you me was what? Hear me was what? Me was what? Me was a iron balloon before me get a hit song. The champion make we do good song to please the nation. The champion, me was a iron balloon before me get a hit song. Me work very hard to hold me position. Try very hard just to get a hit song. Coming on me have left the balloon section. Me no run down first. Turn our second, me just hitch up in a foot right. Then me juke jump. Me a see, me a hear all the tension. Come Papa son, you go and produce son. Enough more house we a go want on the land. What if you tell Flower Gun, him have a great plan. Chicken back and dumpling run the nation. Me was a iron balloon before me get a hit song. The champion. Do good song to please the nation. The champion. Hail principal. You know the position. Send a urgent telegram in England. Make Josie know the vice brigade. The general. I she hear me there. And I be one on the slackness. DJ the family new gang. Admiral they about him out of action. Cause Al Capone run out of ammunition. I am my love before me. Right! And more peace, cause we have culture from my left and right and round here. Now culture knocks, long time I don't see you. Come cross, come here, clean on.
Yeah. Oh, maximum bad respect to all crowd. Oh, Papa, Shine Satan Driver. Oh, Scorpio Console, man. Oh, color line straight. Oh, when we come, just when we come. Now we're going to give you the anthem. It's me, man. Original culture. You know what I mean? You see that kind of toward it. I'm following now. I want to pick the line straight. General, to the max, man. Go. Watch it. Our Father which art in heaven, praise his own be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, but I love you won't taste. Though we have some DJ nowadays, spoiling up the young black and gifted race, influential lyrics that contaminate. Cause when we come now with a cultural taste, as when me ball fool say that there is no God. To them like always some money, literally man ready me fool say that there is no God. To them like always some money, mentally man, so I lift mine eyes upon the hills from whence cometh my help. My health it cometh from the Lord God Jehovah. Come and say Alpha Omega. Get up, turn up, and wave. 101, 24/7 better than the best. Maximum man that by respect to the Father. Every tongue confess as some shout out fool. Say that there is no God. To them like always some money, literally man ready me fool. Say that there is no God. To them like always some money, mentally mad. But for them I wonder with DJs so hot and balloon explode with some poisonous gas. But we go to rock and kill anything slack. We not afraid of knife blade, we not afraid of gunshot. Squeaky cause the bad me say like a combat. All who are sing and me say all who are shock. Mass one side and go take back them sucker like a thunder me roll. Lightning we clap, just when we come and we not turn back. Scorpio a play and it depend it up some is a fool. Ace! On the line again, General, come straight.
Hold it my youth. Now you want to say, where the provisional professor nuts, I'm a virgin still. Why me him say I'm going to buy some bun and cheese, and him say fuck bun and cheese and go buy some red peas and come check me for certain thing, you know. And so me give him certain thing, he just walk and tell everybody. Him fuck up me. Come with it! Can't prof you my virgin, but you should tell everybody. Oh, chilly pilly line low. Chilly pilly line low. People, and the agony depression and the DJ feed. I saw me say, I saw me and I saw me do it. Agony depression and the DJ feed. I saw me say, I saw me and I saw me do it. Professor not feel sweet for me give the dog meat. Anyway, Professor see him not tap skin him teeth. Me say, wait, Professor, I saw the meat sweet. Him say, I wanna come back for peace next week. Agony depression and the... Watch how the general do it. straight class. Come and look into it. I hear to you, youth, man. Man. All right. Yes, if I'm come here from night, I don't touch nothing for the sense of media people. Then. And we can't live out sense of media. Because we don't touch coke and crack. Come with it. What am I say? And me and the Almighty come and the two of we girl round us sit down. Chili pillow. Chili low. Hold up, live. And I roll the boat, the sense about to come. And send to me the man run, come, I go round the boat, the sense about to come. And send to me the Search! Watch all the chin I want to do it. I want to take back time. Spirit, my youth. Chili pillow. Chippy line low. I'm going to do. Chili pillow. I'm going to do. I'm going to roll the boat. The sense about to come. And send to me the man run. Come, I'm going to roll the boat. The sense about to come. And send to me the man run. Come, give me a Rizla. They say no Rizla. They don't have no contract. No brown paper. I say lend me a chalwa. They say no chalwa. I say pass a buckle and you get a buckle chalwa body gonna. And everybody say the buckle chalwa. Yes, and they good say to me now. What? So you know? Don't cut it short. All the people be the lyrics. Spin it. One more time to bounce it clean. Chili pillow. Chili line low. Chili line low. You want a slice? Plenty people. Them are run by Christian. Oh God. Plenty people. Them are run by Christian. But I chunk it up. I am glad that I'm not one. And I will never be a Roma Christian. Follow me now, the Dan Bogoman and the Bogoman. Say us again now. Watch it. Only for steam, because you know the energy, me and G. And all right, run it. Good boy. That's how it feels. Spin it. Chili pillow. Chili line low. Chili line low. All right. It's on my Bible and me keep it with the Bible and the key. Have to find out who thief the money. Bible and the key, bring me the Bible and the key. Have to find out who thief. Call a flame. Just the other night, me keep a house party. Invite some of my friends, some of my family, some from uptown and down the country. They come in at my house and take me money. We can't say a term. The car America, they no come one away, they come in a passy. But me have to find out. And very quickly, some say, go and hope your man, him not go help me. Give me, tell me, say that term. When I hurry, and when him done, him charge me a bag of money. I mean, I want to accuse somebody wrongfully. Me, I go try something we carry guarantee. Which is the Bible, we're holy, and it's something we keep me door steady. So G-we, come, everybody follow me. G-we, come, with the Bible and the key. G-we, come, everybody listen me. G-we, come, with the Bible and the key. Put the key in the Bible like a peg in a wall, then me tie them together, and then me start call. By St. Peter, by St. Paul. When me say that, me see a girl start ball, and you start to roll like rain a fall. A little short man start grow tall. All who are gone, name no call, just the Bible and the key, make them panic and a ball. G-we, come, everybody follow me. G-we, come, with the Bible and the key. G-we, hey, everybody listen me. G-we, hey, with the Bible and the key. Just the other day, they rob a old lady of all her fandangles jewelry, like copper watch, brass ring, and loom chain. Police hold me, I want to say a me. Can me go a station, beat me badly, put me in front the judge, to face the jury, and the barrister me get. That couldn't help me, me have to introduce the judge to the Bible and the key. If me never do that, me would have there GP. G-we, come, everybody follow me. G-we, come, with the Bible and the key. G-we, hey, everybody listen me. G-we, hey, with the, hold it! I ain't come to my can't call Steve Knight. Keep on playing by the ragamuffin sound fears. Who don't tears.
Because we are the Scorpion. We sting you, and it burn you, and it pain you, and now it start hurt you. Tell blood a run from all part of you. You use cloth and tie it up. You know what you are? You're a blood clot. Come take me.
Me and my girl.
Soundboy, you know Scorpio sound is the greatest heavyweight sound in the world. This sound you should never try to test. Heard a sound boy die tonight.
One more piece out of the number one. And the ass man them just
Because we are the Scorpion.
I told you.
We sting you, and it burn you, and it pain you, and now it start hurt you.
Big up yourself.
Tell blood a run from all part of you. You use cloth and tie it up. You know what you are? You're a blood clot.
Me never hear.
Come Steve Knight.
Me and my girl. Soundboy, you know Scorpio sound is the greatest heavyweight sound in the world. This sound you should never try to test. Heard a sound boy die tonight. Well, heard Scorpio take a life tonight. You said your sound was good and would test my sound. But now you find Scorpio true, he just leak you down. Now you're hurt much more than you'll ever know. Sound boys hurt. Scorpio has just leaked you down. You should never try and play the best. Now you try and test. Now you lose the test. Sound boy, you're hurt.
Mighty can't call Steve Knight. Now I play the counteraction double. Dedicated to our nice and decent people, but for an age of line here, bring young man like Barry back, original balloon. Come cross balloon.
Now what the general, okay, you know, say we come well, come for years, man. No big of our mountain virgin, they will live on the marriage chop, so we live for years. No ganja man, I phone us time, you know, because we have to bust this year, see? But chop up and mash up, we have to bust, man. The Lord of mercy, hurry back in on the party, and every posse come follow me. Hear me, I want freedom for the ganja man, them in the era. Me say no more ganja, don't get so no be burn down. Hear me ball out, I want you put up your one if you a ganja man. Ball it out if you a one stop out of the gunshot, man, I will take you. One month put up number one in song, man. I will take you this year, man. No general treat, you don't know the iron balloon is going to be bus. Everything is done. All me house now are gone. Have mercy, here. I hope not I will live to see every ganja man me say should be free. And every coke man know what ganja man need. Hear what I say? Until ganja man, me say man the best. Hear me, come me say who should the ganja, who should the ganja, who should the ganja bad them mad. Who should the ganja, who should the ganja, who should the ganja bad them mad. Who should the ganja, who should the ganja, who should the ganja bad them mad. Who should the ganja, who should the ganja, who should the ganja bad. Families are little youth are grow in the country. Me never hear ganja hurt nobody. Man all we want it from a New York City. Man all we want it from a Italy. Make a plane catch a pine bill in a country. All they say the finest two body. Nobody never said they find no money. When I come big ganja, let's them bring them money. Ganja man a give them ganja, let's them get them money. Come, now run the joke. Ganja can't drink, boom. Now run the joke. Ganja can't smoke. Ganja 1 million time. Better than coke man. Catching a ganja kill him. Back it up. So what? One more time out of it song, man. Now hear this cheese. Hold on. I hear some DJ per night, you know. I cuss all like girl them. You know what I cuss the girls them? True them can't get a girl, them I talk about the girl I idiot. See? So you want me to the boy them now? What cuss the girl them? All the boy them in my mouth, they watch him now. Richard True, spin it! Yeah, some boy can't get no girl, you know. Scorpio run things, man. For years, man. Why? I'll take it, man. Watch it. Color. Look on your ears, you no breed a girl yet. That mean you not bust no sweat. Look on your ears, you no breed a girl yet. That mean you not bust no sweat, man. Put up your one car, you get a picnic. Your wife or your yard did it if already. No, put up your one car, you get a picnic. Your wife or your yard did it. Hold on. Bum clock do the same, man. And me man, original bar back, man.
One more piece out of the
I
number
make
one.
up a gear.
Scorpio time now. Now is the original last man time, man. Now, you know, say Scorpio is nice and lovely for the people there. So I don't want to buy us and go on away. A lyrical content of
Why
it.
Black Scorpio sound so nice? I can't find the reason.
So come on, me love it, love it.
Around the dance hall
Watch
and
it.
before the party,
And the
you
general layer
listen
of
the
this
sounds
big
of
preview.
Black Scorpio. Wake up, you're playing, you're feeling no pain.
Watch me.
You're holding your
Chili, chili,
daughter,
chili,
hold her tight,
chili,
believing your
chili,
daughter with all your might.
People,
Reason, the reason that we're here, the reason that we have let the world disappear. And the man that you call General G, the man super shine and the man with the screw. His name is Amanda, got the party, copy your brain in every way. I can't find the
who for them she call not the General G. I call the German liquor crook and breaky. A best friend I tell me about a Johnny Fish. She put name in a box and she shake it. Because name come out, not a daddy. Who for name come the Admiral Bailey. But you know ruffle the belly, ruffle the belly. Bring the baby come you must find the daddy. Ruffle the belly, ruffle the belly. Bring the baby come you must find the daddy. Girl, open your ears and ear me keenly. Shabba the best baby father we take it me. Want a godfather go take cocotte. Need a godmother me say she clean DG. Woman that say you're the sister, we be the auntie. First if it the barn and favor bring it. But you know ruffle the belly, no ruffle the belly. Bring the baby come you must find the daddy. No ruffle the belly, no ruffle the belly. Bring the baby come you must find the daddy. 9 months come now she have a baby. Nice little bouncing boy baby. She started to wonder if she name him Johnny V. And name him Jaman little car breaky. She not like Barry back, she read a culturally. But she considering about San and Stitchy. Article say she considering Bailey. Everyone know the general article. When we take a good trip, back the baby, you see the nose and the mouth. Favor Stitchy, the eye and the ears. Favor Johnny V. The Jaman, Barry back, now no part of the body. The left leg for culture, the right leg for bring it from the belly to the back. Who down to the slave. Here come. Somebody can call Johnny Goose and has burned. I know say a sunny ass man sound it. Now Jara crow on us waiting on the time, see? And the ass man time now, see?